Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Picture this, rolling up in a Toyota Camry that isn't boxed in by a sedan's trunk but stretches out into a sleek, 5-door station wagon, blending sedan style with SUV practicality. Digital artists have already given us a taste of what the 2026 Camry Wagon could look like, slicing and dicing the fresh 2025 Camry Hybrid into a body style last seen in the 90s. Those renderings show a stretched roofline, elongated rear glass, and even the hint of a third-row window, all riding on the Camry's modern TNGA platform and powered by the same smooth hybrid system that delivers 225 horsepower to the front wheels or 232 when you tick the all-wheel drive box. It's hard not to get excited about a wagon that revives Toyota's V20 and 1520 heritage, the original narrow-body Camry wagons that offered real utility alongside reliable performance. Back then, the station wagon was a practical choice, whether you were hauling camping gear or swapping sports equipment. Fast forward 24 years, and wagons have nearly vanished in the U.S., replaced by towering crossovers. But that hasn't stopped car CGI masters like Theodol and Kelsonic from dreaming up photorealistic Camry wagons that slot neatly under the Crown Signia crossover, carving out a niche for shoppers who don't need SUV ground clearance but crave cargo room and car-like handling. YouTube channel Autospector even jumped on the bandwagon, literally, flashing renders of a Camry hybrid wagon and suggesting it could undercut Venza and Highlander prices while delivering the driving dynamics of Toyota's best-selling sedan. And with the Camry reigning as the top passenger car in America for 23 years running, there's no question a fresh wagon variant would have instant brand recognition. Yet Toyota remains silent. Imagine a Camry wagon with 40 miles of electric range, a carpeted cargo floor sliding seamlessly into the cabin, and all the Toyota Safety Sense tech watching your back as you load groceries, bikes, or weekend luggage. It might seem fanciful, but today's renderings keep the conversation alive, and that's exactly why we're here. So let us know in the comments what you'd spec on a real Camry wagon. Would you choose front or all-wheel drive? What hybrid tune would suit your lifestyle? And what bold color would turn heads without shouting, "Look at me"? Until Toyota surprises us, we'll keep dreaming and rendering this Camry wagon into reality.